Stop coming towards me. Stop where you are, miss. Stop where you are. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, miss. Casey, taser. Stop it. Stop it, you're gonna get shot.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not intend to glorify or endorse any actions. Viewers are encouraged to understand and follow their local laws and ethical standards. On September 29, 2023, Morris police responded to a distress call about a potential threat. The suspect, 40-year-old Olivia Schwab, was reported to be armed and behaving erratically. As officers arrived, body cam footage showed Schwab approaching them with a knife.
If I'm not mistaken, it's this building. 1863? Okay. Alright, you go non-lethal. I miss. Miss, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Stop coming towards me. Stop coming towards me. Stop where you are, miss. Stop where you are. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, miss. Casey, taser. Stop it. Stop it, you're gonna get shot. Fuck. Shots fired, Grundy. 752. Step it up. Handcuff her. Take that knife away. Face.
Officers issue clear commands. Drop the weapon. Step back. But the suspect does not comply and keeps advancing. De-escalation is the priority. But when a threat persists, officers must decide their next move.
Fuck! Started running at me with a fucking knife, man.
Hey, bro. Hey. Alright. I'm gonna shut this down. Nick, go stand by. Go stand by over your squad car.
You need my gun, or what do we do?
Alright. Go sit down over there, alright? I'm not gonna take your gun or anything yet.
Okay.
We're gonna wait for the detective to show up. We're not done seeing over here, right?
Round 104, we're secure. Send fire up.
With the suspect closing in, the threat level rises. Officers have only seconds to act. Law enforcement follows a use of force continuum, starting with commands, then less lethal options, and, if necessary, lethal force. As non-lethal options become unviable, officers fire.
Nick, your body camera off, send this back up, alright? When the dicks get here, they'll probably want to talk to you. It's fine. But you can turn your body camera off, sit in the car, alright?
I miss. Miss, drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Stop coming towards me. Stop where you are, miss. Stop where you are. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, miss.
Put the knife down.
Taser. Stop it. Stop it, you're gonna get shot.
Shots fired, shots fired.
After firing, officers secure the scene and call for medical aid. Despite efforts, the suspect does not survive. Every use of force case undergoes investigation to ensure legal and ethical standards were followed. Bodycam footage plays a key role in transparency.
Shots fired, Grundy. Slip the DT. Step it up. Step it up.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Damn it. Handcuff her. Take the knife away. Face. Face.
Yeah, you can just hang out over here now.
This case highlights the complexities of split-second police decisions. Clear commands, de-escalation, and legal accountability are crucial. While tragic, such cases help educate on law enforcement procedures. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more case studies.